Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install DirectX on 11 on your PC. So first you need to go to this website. I will leave the link in the description below. If I try to manually, as you can see here, go to DirectX 11, it will be this website, but it will download a audio file. So go to this website here. It's basically just same website, but for United Kingdom users. And then what you need to do here is to go to and press on download, then save it to desktop or whatever you like. Once you have the setup here, click on it. Then press I accept the agreement, press next. Do not install Bing bar, press next. Wait for basically until the installation process is done. After that, press next. And again, we need to wait for a couple of seconds. And then should be installing like this. And then after downloading components, it will install components. So again, we need to wait again. All right. And after that, restart your computer and it should work. So that's pretty much it.